Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making beans and plantain porridge. Very delicious. So keep watching to see how I made this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Over here I've got cooked honey beans, and to that I will add ripe plantain which I cut into cubes. Next I will add little amount of water and allow it to cook on a low heat. Next I'll check on the plantain and it's soft. I'm going to set it aside for later use. To make the stew base, I've added oil in another pot. Allow it to heat up. Next I'll add my pepper mix, onions, scotch bonnet pepper and tatashe. I'll add fresh curry leaves for flavor and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste for rich texture. I'm going to give it a good stir and allow it to fry. Few minutes later, I check on the pepper mix and it has fried very well. Next, I will add seasoning cubes, all-purpose seasoning and salt. I will give it a good mix and add beef stock. Mix very well and our stew is ready. Next, I will transfer the stew to the cooked beans and plantain. Gently mix and allow it to cook on a low heat for 6 to 8 minutes. 8 minutes later, I will stir very well to combine and we are done. It turned out so delicious. I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!